Guten Yardening, everybody! There are just a few hours left in 2020, and we wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you, first and foremost, for joining us along the way on our journey toward food freedom. It has been a pleasure to be a part of this YouTube community. We have so many wonderful people that we've met, so many families, so many folks out there who are trying their best to present, just as we are, the importance of growing your own food and sharing the knowledge that you have with other people. So we want to say again, thank you so much for joining us, for being a part of our lives, for being a part of the Guten Yardening community. And of course, we want to wish everyone a Happy New Year. I know 2020 seemed to take a long time in some respects, but in the last 7 months since we started our channel, I can tell you that time has flown by for us. We want to again say thank you so much. Happy New Year to everyone. And of course, for the last time this year, always remember, when you're with us, when you're with us, when you're with us, when you are with us, when you're with us, you are good to grow.